Now see some questions from worksheet 3. See the first question. Multiply and express the result as a rational number in the standard form. We have given two rational numbers in all the questions and we have to multiply them. If we are multiplying 11 by 7 by minus 30 by 8, so because we are multiplying, so this by will be replaced with the sign of multiplication in all the questions. See first part, multiply 11 by 7 by minus 3 by 8. So we will replace this by with the multiplication. Now we will cut the numerator and denominator with the same table. If any of the numerator is cancelled with the any of the denominator with the common table, but in this case it is not possible, so we will multiply numerator with the numerator. So 11 3 is 33 and 7 8 denominator with the denominator. 7 8 is 56 and here only one minus is there and one is odd. So if one time of minus sign is there, there will be minus with the answer. Now see third part of the question number 1. We have to multiply minus 3 by 12 by minus 48. So we will replace the by with the sign of multiplication and we can write 1 in the denominator of the second rational number. Here 12 and 48 can be cancelled with the table 12. So 12 1 is 12 and 12 4 is 48. Now 3 4 is 12, numerator we will multiply numerator with the numerator. 3 4 is 12 and 1 into 1 1. So denominator will be 1. So there is no need to write the denominator if it is 1. And there are 2 minus. Now count the minus. There are 2 minus and 2 is even. In case of even, sign will be plus and there is no need to show the plus sign with the answer. See question number 2. Verify x into y is equal to y into x. This is the first property. We will interchange the rational number and then we will multiply them. See here question number 2. First we will take the LHS. In LHS x into y is there. So put the value of x. X is minus 2 by 7 and y is 5 by 8. So replace x and y with their values. And now we will do the same thing which we have done in the question number 1. 2 and 8 are cancelled with the 2. So 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8. Now multiply numerator with the numerator. 5 into 1 5, 7 4 is 28 and there is 1 minus, odd time of minus. So minus will be there. Now do the right hand side. Right hand side is y into x. Replace their values, y and then x, then cut them with the common table and again we are getting the same answer. So LHS is equal to RHS. Now see question number 3. Here x into y into z, grouping in the left hand side, grouping of the first two, and in the right hand side, grouping of the last two, and we have to verify the result. Now see the fourth part of this question. Take the LHS left hand side. It is x into y and then multiply with the z. Replace the values of x, y and z here. Then first we will solve the bracket. Here we will cancel the numerator and the denominator with the common table. We are getting 4 by 3 from the bracket because there are 2 minus. So it will be plus. And then multiply it with the minus 7 by 3. Here numerator and denominator are not divisible by any common table, so multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator and there is only 1 minus, so minus will be with the answer. So this is the left hand side. Now we will solve the right hand side. Here this is the right hand side. Now replace the values of x, y and z. Here first we solve the bracket and here numerator and denominator are not divisible by any common table, so multiply them. There are 2 sign of negative, so there will be plus with the answer. Then multiply this answer with the first rational number and we are getting here minus 28 by 9, which is equal to left hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now see question number 4. Here this is the distributive property. So we will apply, and values of rational numbers are given. So we will apply, or we will verify this distributive property by using the value of x, y and z. Here we will discuss first part of question number 4. So write the LHS. Here this is the LHS, x into y plus z. Put the values of x, y and z. First we will solve the bracket. In the bracket plus sign is there. So we will take the LCM of the denominator. LCM is 35. Now divide the LCM with the numerator and denominator, and with multiply with the numerator. Same here. We are getting 7 plus 5 and 1 by 3 will be as such. From bracket we are getting 12 by 35 and 1 by 3 is also there. So cancel numerator and denominator. With the common table 3 we are getting 4 by 35 from the left hand side. Now we will discuss right hand side. In right hand side, x into y plus x into z is there. Replace their values. Here we will apply the board mass. First we will multiply. We will solve the multiplication. Here and here we are getting 1 by 15 plus 1 by 21. Now rational number is there with the addition. So take the LCM of the denominator, denominator, and then divide this LCM with the denominator and multiply with the numerator. Same here. We are getting same answer from the right hand side also. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Question number 5 and 6 are also based on the distributive property. So they are the same as question number 4 is there. Now see question number 7. Simplify and express the result in the standard form. And so all the questions are similar. We will discuss here fourth part. First of all, we will solve the bracket. And in bracket, rational numbers are there with the difference between them, with the sign of difference between them. So take the LCM of denominator. LCM is 20. Divide the LCM with the denominator and multiply with the numerator. Same here. Then multiply them. We are getting 19 by 20 from the bracket, and 8 by 11 will be as such. Now we will multiplying them. Here 8 and 20 are divisible by 4. Now multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. We are getting 38 upon 55.